Hello everyone, this is Hava from Hava Wellness, and today I would like to prepare a kefir pancakes from a raw milk that went bad. Now if you look, this is the date. It's past due a long time ago. I kept this milk specifically so that way I can show that you can prepare a delicious pancake, a fluffy pancake from the raw milk that never actually goes bad but gently ferments. Okay, so let's begin. For that purpose you need couple ingredients, so let's dive in. We're gonna start by measuring 400 milli of a raw fermented milk. After, it's time to warm up a little bit, just a little bit, the milk. So now let's combine the wet ingredients first. For that purpose, we need a warmed kefir milk, 1 large egg, 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can add less or more, it's up to you. I like when it's a little bit sweet. And I would add 2 tablespoons of butter. I'd like to add a little bit vanilla. It always gives a good flavor. So in about half teaspoon. Or you can even do 2. It's okay. Nothing happened. Now let's whisk these ingredients together. Now let's put this aside and combine dry ingredients. I'm going to use about 2.5 cups of flour, or around 320 grams of flour. Okay, just if you want to be more precise. Use half teaspoon of a baking soda. And a pinch of salt. Now you can gently combine this, the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients. We're going to end up with the consistency like this. Now all what we need to do is to let it a little bit rest. For that purpose I'm using the cover, and now I'm going to let it sit for 20 minutes. We're going to take a small dollop, not too big and not too small, like in a between, and then